So we're on our way over to the cows. The camera dropped, so I had to stop and get that. And as with most farms, I gotta get the gate. Let me set the camera down. Hang on, got to get the gate. See, on a farm, if the gate's open, you leave it open. If the gate's closed, you better close it. Let me set us back up. There we go. Okay. So here we are in the pasture, or one of our pastures, because we have multiples. We are in one of our pastures with some of our mama cows and our calves. It is calving season. So we have, we constantly do pasture rotation, as you're aware of. And so we make sure that when they're calving, that they're closer to us. That way, in the event that any of our first time cows, which are technically heifers because they haven't previously had a calf, we always want to make sure that we keep them within ear range when they're calving, because we are able to do that in the design of our pasture rotational model that we did here for the farm. And so, good morning. So we do that on purpose. These are our two donkeys, and they are amazing. They are also part of our predator control and our alarm system for anything that moves around the property. They are wonderful. Now, I will tell you, they're as wonderful as they are, they don't mess around. They really don't. They have teeth and they bite hard. They also have little bitty feet that hurt really, really, really a lot. So we got to be careful around these guys, because while they're calm and relaxed now, if you're on the other side of the fence, it's not always such a fun experience, especially if they've got it in their head that they want to come and see what you've got on you or in your ATV. So they can be quicker than you. So you will often find that when I keep the donkeys near me, I try to make sure I'm in an ATV. That way I've got a little bit of space in case they get a little bit crazy. Want kisses? Want to kisses? No kisses? They're sweet, but they're a whole lot sweeter with a fence between you. Morning. You are so cute. So, a little glimpse into the cows, the calves, and the donkeys.